we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes.
Okay, so the plan is to organize in here. So I have so much cleaning, well, I have a lot of cleaning supplies. So look at this over here, and then here, and then of course down here is where I store most of it, which that's kind of overflowing. I got to organize up here, and I have to restock fabric softener and I guess some more vinegar and some more of my boosters. And then I have to organize up here. For the most part, this stayed pretty well organized until I went crazy. I don't know what happened. I just went crazy buying cleaning supplies. So I have just so much that I have to organize. So I have more of these in my closet. These are those bins that I think I mentioned this my last couple videos, and I think I have a TikTok on this, but these are freaking awesome. These things cost about $5 or $6 at Walmart. They're nice and big, and you can just store, use it for anything. Pantry, under the cabinet, anything you want. So my plan is to store my extra cleaning supplies, put them in here, and see if I can get it into this closet because, oh gosh, some of this stuff I can probably move elsewhere, like my paint and my trash bags, but I'm going to have to make some room in here. And there is no light in here, which kind of sucks, but there's supposed to be. As you can see, there's a light switch here, but when we moved in, it was not working. It's kind of like, I don't know if you can see that little wire that's hanging right there. My husband has to fix that, but my husband actually made these shelves. This was not here when we moved in. I have a video, I don't know, maybe a year, I might link it somewhere, but he actually made these shelves for me, and it took a while because there's a pole, this whole thing here. So he had to make a shelf, and he had to make sure that he cut it to fit in here. But anyways, I'm going to move some of this stuff around. I might not film that since there's no light in here, but I will move some of this stuff around to make room for all these extra cleaning supplies. So we're going to go ahead. Oh, and there's my motion sensor light. We're going to go ahead and start, and then I will probably add, I do have to make some dinner, and it is getting, it's about 3 in the afternoon when I'm starting this. So the boys will be getting home soon. About 4 o'clock, 4-ish. So I want to go ahead and get this done, and then I don't know, I'm probably going to insert dinner. I'm making like a broccoli salad. I might add that in the video. I don't know if I have time. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today's video, we are organizing my laundry room. So my laundry room becomes the catch-all for some reason. Well, I know the reason. We do have a big cabinet in there, and all I have on there on a regular day is just my baskets. But this becomes a catch-all room here just because there's so much space on the cabinet. I just seem to throw everything on top of there. But my laundry room really needed to be organized, and I also needed to restock. And then I also accumulated a lot of cleaning supplies, so I had to find a spot for them, and I did make room in the little closet we have in the laundry room. It doesn't look pleasing to the eye, but nobody sees it. I just needed to get these cleaning supplies in somewhere. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, leave it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get into this.
No more, we Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody.
So it had been a while since I wiped down my laundry baskets, and I am so glad that I did because they were super dirty. And then afterwards, I went ahead and sprayed them down with some Lysol.
Going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
The memory of you just come running back. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. The memory of you just come running back. 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 I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken.
All right, and this is done finally. It didn't take me that long, but this is what I did here. So I filled up all this, and then here are some dryer sheets. I've never used dryer sheets, but I'm going to start using them. I just wanted to test them out. But I got this at Target, and it just pulls out like this. I got a Target dollar spot, so I decided to put those in there. Here I didn't do very much because there's really nothing to be done up here. Here's where I kind of just organized a little more. I restocked here, more fabric softener, some Shout, just kind of rearranged a little bit. I left those in the box since I have a bunch of bags right there. And this right here, so I had filled 3 of these up with cleaning products, but this is what I decided to do. let me go in here and show you. So I only kept these two up here, and then I just kind of organized in here, which doesn't look that great, but at least I got everything in here that needed to be in here. And then this right here is just extras that I'm taking to the other bathrooms in the house, and I'm just gonna put them there. This one's going into the kids' bathroom because they don't have a shower head, like a pull down shower head, so I use this. Here, nothing changed really. I just added more trash bags in there, and the baskets up here, what did I do up there? I didn't really add anything. I kind of just organized it a little bit. I think I did add, let me see. Nope, nothing there. I don't think I added anything. Well, actually, I did add my Clorox wand refills. Yeah, that, and then some of these brushes here that I have not used yet. So that's pretty much it for that. And then in here, this actually goes in the closet. This is dirty, so I have this out because I'm gonna wash these. This is where I keep all my dirty rags. I just pile them on and then I just throw them in the wash. Here, I got this at Walmart for like $2, and I just added some of my Scrub Daddy and magic erasers. And then I wiped these down. They were gross. I have not wiped these down in like a really long time, but I wiped these down and then I sprayed them with some Lysol just to make sure they're nice and sanitized. And that is it for the bathroom. Now I mean for the laundry room. Now I'm just going to go and make some dinner, or well, my dinner, and that will be it. And I will be organizing and changing out some things. Like I was looking at this and I'm definitely going to change that. And then I have some extra decor that I want to put up, but I didn't want to do in this video. I just kind of wanted to get the space cleaned up because it was looking a mess. But we're going to go ahead and make my broccoli salad, and I think that will be the end for this video. All right, y'all, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This literally took me about an hour and a half. And I guess the reason I'm saying that is because sometimes we look at a room that's just a big mess and think we don't have the time to do it. But my laundry room took me about an hour to do, and then 30 minutes to do this salad. So it didn't take me very long. And if I was not filming, I think it would have gone even quicker. But I'm just saying that just to say that, you know, if you have a room that you just feel like you're overwhelmed with, go ahead and tackle it. At least do part of the room or a little bit at a time, and to try to get your space together. And I'm telling you, after I got my laundry room done, I felt so much better because every time I walked in there, it looked overwhelming to me. So the other thing I want to mention is I don't have a plated video of my salad here. I don't know what happened to that footage, but I ended up eating this on its own, and then I made some pasta for my son and for my husband. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.